Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video today, it's all about the AirPods Pro, but this one is actually different. This is a little bit cloned, not a little bit, but it's cloned version, and you cannot deny of the functionality what it has throughout the AirPods Pro original. Now, what I have for today, it's something which is so epic. I hope you're gonna love it. So for further ado, let's get started. Okay, here we have them. These are AirPods Pro, the cloned version. So I'll just refer by saying the AirPods Pro, if you won't mind. As you can see guys, on the box is such an amazing kind of stuff. The way it's really packed in, it's really packed in like an original. You cannot deny it. So if you're out there buying AirPods Pro in a store, just be careful if you want to just buy something legit, and just know that you want to purchase something which is so amazing. Okay, now let us just unbox it so some of you guys can see what's happening here. Okay, now I'm gonna just put this paperwork aside since we don't need that, and we have our AirPods here, well packed. Another kind of stuff, what's inside, I think it's gonna be a cable. Okay, very nice and vividly. I hope some of you guys saw that. What fell down, let me just pick it up one time. Okay, this is what fell down. It's actually some extra buds which you can just toss in on your AirPods earphone on that kind of nozzle. I think it's gonna be awesome. As you can see, it's just written somewhere here. I hope you can see that. So it's such an amazing thing. Another kind of stuff, it's the USB cable, which is a Type-C to Lightning. I think it's Lightning. As you can see guys, it's Type-C to Lightning. Paperwork, which is something which is so great. As you can see how much it's written AirPods Pro, but actually it's a clone version. So they try to make something which is so quite legitimate. As you can see how much the description they are and stuff like that, which they're so explained in a vividly way. Now let's jump into our AirPod Pro. As you can see how much it is. This is how it looks like. This is how it flexes. This is how they look like. Okay, let's test them out again. Whoa. Does it work perfectly? Nice. Okay, right now we're gonna play some music, and yeah, we just click somewhere here. Let me try one thing. Let me just increase the volume, because I was trying my best to increase it on the AirPods, but I could not find it either. So let me just. Actually, when it comes to pure bass, it doesn't have that much pure bass. I think it's just mono and stuff like that. Let me just share with you guys on the microphone so that some of you guys can hear that. So as you can hear guys, the sound out of it, it's a little bit not that much bass, though the functionality of the sensor, which I think to my own kind of aspect, they nailed it, like this one. Like whenever I just insert it back to my ears and remove them, they go off. I like that. So they actually did it. They like took all those ingredients out of original AirPods Pro and they toss in on these ones, which I think to one kind of aspect, it's so convenience in other way, in some other way, it might be a little bit not that much convenience. But talking wise about the convenience about these AirPods Pro, they're actually budget. They're not that much expensive. They cost around 80 bucks, 70 bucks. You get it there up to 50. And I think to my own kind of aspect, it sounds so legitimate to be having something which is an alternative, but a little bit much better. It's like right now having a flagship smartphone and a budget smartphone there, mid-range. I think mid-range right now, they're the ones which they're killing it more than the flagships. Actually, they work. They do work. I think to my own kind of aspect for this AirPods Pro, I really recommend them. To me, I really recommend them because they give you all the features, but material-wise, I don't think if it's gonna last that much longer, because the charging case or the shell out of it, this shell, as you can see guys, it's just not that much legitimate. You can see how much it flexes there. not that much high-end flexing, so I think to my own kind of aspect, that's the downside out of it. When it comes to charging, it has a charging of 4 hours and a 210 milliampere capacity of battery charging case. 480 hours as a standby, it's quite not bad. It's something which is so amazing, and I think to my own kind of aspect, it's something which is so awesome. Just hold this button here and Siri will just be activated. Just like that, Siri has been activated. Disabling, you can hold the button. So I think it sounds very, very convenient when it comes to AirPods Pro, which are cloned, and they're actually doing their best job out there. So these are the AirPods Pro. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about them. Are they legitimate, or are they like a gimmick, or just like let me just grab them and use them in a while, and you know, stuff like that. Thank you guys for watching. If you love this video today, let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the AirPods Pro cloned. And last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace.